Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you how you can add and customize some sounds in your interactive name or word project. All right, so I have up here the code for the letter S, which is doing nothing right now. Letter S for sound. And I want to add in a sound. I don't want it to be a meow sound. That's a little weird. What I want instead is to be able to go over here, and I can choose a sound. So for example, I could choose bing boing, or bird, or birthday, etc. There are many different sounds on here. In fact, it's a lot easier to actually sort through stuff. Or instead of choosing a sound, I can actually record a sound. So if I go down here and I click on record, it then brings up an option so that when I'm talking, it's going to blah, move this up and down. Green is fine, yellow is fine. By the way, if it gets up into the red, that means it's too loud. But I can start recording sound. So for example, right now I'm recording my voice. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Okay, so now I can listen back to it. So for example, right now I'm recording my voice. Isn't that neat? Yeah. Oh, it cut off the end, so I'm gonna move this so it plays all of it. And we're gonna start right here. Now, if I don't like that recording, I can actually go right here and say, okay, I want to re-record my sound because it didn't turn out as good as I wanted. And then I can move this again and listen to this one. I want to re-record my sound because it didn't turn out as good as I wanted. Okay, that sounds great. So I'm gonna hit save. And I now have a new sound, and I want to re-record my sound. Giving it a name. And I have some options to change this. So maybe instead of sounding normal, I want to sound faster.
I want to re-record my sound because it didn't turn out as good as I wanted.
Or slower.
I want to re-record my sound because it didn't turn out as good as I wanted.
I actually think it sounds funnier faster.
I want to re-record my...
Yeah, so we're going to do that. Now we have some other options in here as well. So we can make it louder.
I want to re-record...
Or softer. We can mute certain parts of it. So if we highlight this and say, make this muted, now we won't actually hear anything right there. So when we listen to it,
I want to re-record...
it'll actually stop playing the sound there. I don't want to actually do that. So I'm going to not mute that. Or we could even do some other options like robot sound.
I want to re-record my sound because it didn't turn out as good as I wanted.
I don't like that one, so I'm going to undo it.
Re-record my sound.
Or we can even reverse the sound. Yeah, that sounds great. That's exactly what I was intending to say. Okay, so I have an awesome sound now, and I've customized it a little bit. But when I go back into here and I click on the letter S, nothing happens. Now the reason why is because we actually need to code the sound to play. So we're going to say when I click on the letter S for sound, I want it to play a sound. So now when I click on it, sounds great, right? All right, so that is how you can add in some sounds and customize them in your project. However, there are some more options right here for how you can change the sounds in your particular project. So make sure you check out those different blocks. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.